Please welcome the arrival of Her Excellency Retno Marsudi, Minister for Foreign Affairs of the Republic of Indonesia, His Excellency Airlangga Hartarto, Coordinating Minister for Economic Affairs of Indonesia, His Excellency Agus Harimurti Yudhoyono, Minister for Agrarian Affairs and Spatial Planning, and His Excellency Dr. Kok Hee Hoon, Secretary General of ASEAN.
Excellencies, may we request that you remain standing for the ASEAN anthem, which today will be led